How to use markup tool and draw in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on productivity and finance folder. Now here click on notes app. Now in notes click on this icon and you can use markup tool, so click on this markup icon, and you can also use pen from here. You can also use pencil from here. You can also use highlighter. Or you can also erase. You want to erase from. You can also select the area and delete from here. So you can also use scale straight up, make a straight line. You will see. You will see. So you can also change color from here. And after the procedure, click on this icon. So go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use markup tool and draw in notes in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.